In this video, I'll guide you through how to unpublish a GoDaddy managed WordPress website by using maintenance mode. Even though WordPress doesn't have a single unpublish button for your entire site, you can still hide your content from visitors while you continue working behind the scenes. The method we'll focus on is using a maintenance mode plugin, which is usually the safest and easiest option. First, let's talk about what maintenance mode actually does. When you turn on maintenance mode with a plugin, regular visitors to your site will see a simple under construction or coming soon page instead of your real content. At the same time, you as the site owner can log in and see the full site normally, make edits and test changes. This is ideal if you want to temporarily unpublish your site without breaking anything or changing complicated settings. To get started, log into your WordPress dashboard for your GoDaddy managed WordPress site. You can usually do this by going to your site's login page and entering your credentials. Once you're in the dashboard, you'll be on the main admin screen where you can see your menu on the left-hand side. Now you're going to install a maintenance mode plugin. Two popular options are WP Maintenance Mode and Seed Prod. Either one will work for this purpose. In your WordPress dashboard, go to the Plugins section on the left, then click on Add New. This takes you to the plugin repository where you can search for new tools to add to your site. In the search bar on the top right, type in the name of the plugin you want to use, for example, WP Maintenance Mode or Seed Prod. Wait a moment for the results to load, then look for the plugin in the list. When you find it, click the Install Now button. Once the installation finishes, that button will change to Activate. Go ahead and click Activate to turn the plugin on for your site. After activation, the plugin will usually add a new menu item in your dashboard, or it will appear under the Settings menu. Click into the plugin settings so you can configure how maintenance mode will work. You'll see options to enable maintenance mode, choose the message visitors will see, and sometimes upload a logo or choose a background. You don't have to make it fancy unless you want to. A simple, we're working on the site, please check back soon message is perfectly fine. Most plugins have a clear toggle or button to enable maintenance or coming soon mode. Make sure that option is turned on, then save your changes. At this point, your site should be effectively unpublished to the public. Logged out visitors will only see the maintenance page, while logged in administrators and editors can still view and edit the full site. To confirm it's working, open a different browser or use a private or incognito window and visit your website. You should see the maintenance or under construction page instead of your normal homepage. If you do, that means your GoDaddy managed WordPress site is successfully hidden from visitors. When you're ready to bring your site back online, just return to the plugin settings in your WordPress dashboard, turn off maintenance mode, and save. Your regular pages and posts will be visible again to everyone.